On how to fix TikTok getting 0 view. You are not alone on this problem.
TikTok, what the fuck are you doing to my second account, bro? My clips account. Every video upload gets exactly 0 views. What the hell? Every video I was uploading before got like 1,000 views at least, bro. What is going on? I have so many fucking clips to upload. Some of these that I think are the best I've ever had, and I can't upload any of them. I've tried so many times, but they literally get exactly 0. Like,
I promoted a video yesterday and my views today are like 0, almost literally 0. How does that work? They want me to promote more. Tell me if there's a way to fix that, or just don't promote.
And here is how to fix the 0 view on TikTok. And here there are steps we can take to fix it. So the first one is to check if your account is on privacy like this by clicking on your profile here and then clicking on the straight line icon on the top side here. And here what to do now is to click on settings and privacy here. And here scroll down or slide down till you reach here the safe visibility. Now click on this privacy account settings here. Now turn this off in order to make your account public here like this. Turn it off and then click on switch here. You can see the toggle is off now in order to make your account public. And here the second one here is make sure you are not dropping videos with watermark. You want to maintain your content originality or other people content in order to avoid 0 views. What I mean is if you are uploading content made by you, original, your viewers will start increasing here. And here also you can try this, checking if your account has issue like this by clicking on this straight line icon again here and then click on this TikTok studio here. And here inside this TikTok studio, now scroll down or slide down here until you see more tools here. And now here what to do now is to click on account check here, and here wait for it to search here to check it. As you can see, the account has no issue here. You can see. And here the second one is to avoid getting shadow banned by uploading other people's content or content with watermark here. Avoid it in order to increase your view, because TikTok is not giving warning when your account is shadow banned. So upload original content made by you with consistent and constant. You start seeing increase in view. And here also this is what you will do here. Avoid using dead hashtag like this. Going to this TikTok search button here by clicking on search, then now like this here you can see. Now click on hashtag here. Avoid using that hashtag in order to increase your viewer. Use hashtags which are relevant and also which has results search here in order to increase your view in TikTok. And also here, liking video like automation, like being quick to click on follow or being quick to click on like or being quick to click on heart in order to increase your views also. And this is how to fix 0 view on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.